Hi folks, this is CA Vardhaman Rakhecha. Welcome to ATS, India's only broking house which provides zero brokerage facility for both intraday as well as delivery. A modest return can accumulate a fortune over time. Well, this quote fits in perfectly for the stock we are analyzing, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So in this bank, if you would have invested meager 1 lakh rupees just 35 years ago, today it would have been more than 2,000 crores. Forget it, 1 lakh rupees, even if you would have invested just 100 rupees, it would have been more than 2 crores today. Can you believe it? No, right? But this video will make you believe it. The journey started way back in 1985 when a Gujarati young boy, Uday 𝐂𝐔𝐒𝐓𝐻, started Kotak Capital Management Finance Service Company, wherein he was providing investment and finance services. He started this by taking a loan of rupees 30 lakh from his family and friends. In 1986, Anand Mahindra, the legend, offered 1 lakh rupees to Uday 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻, and subsequently this was renamed as Kotak Mahindra Finance. And this 1 lakh rupees with Anand Mahindra offered Uday 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻, the value of this has become 2,000 crores. Yes, you heard it right. So how did it happen? Well, in 1985, Uday 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 founded Kotak Capital Management Finance as an investment and financing company. Initially, company used to do bill discounting work. It was the first private company that started offering this service. Uday 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 saw an opportunity when he saw that Nelco, which was a Tata company, it used to purchase some goods from the suppliers, and in return when it has to make the payment, it used to offer a bill of exchange which had a period of 3 months. So this bill of exchange, now the supplier has to go and give it to the bank, and the bank will honor the bill and repay it to the supplier after a period of 3 months. So if the supplier wanted the payment before 3 months, the bank used to charge 17% as interest, which was very big for the small suppliers. So 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 found an opportunity wherein he started to discount this bill of the suppliers at a rate lesser than 17%. Now to fund this proposition, 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 started to borrow money from his friends and relatives at 12% interest. He convinced them cunningly by saying them that they are lending actually to Tata, because after 3 months it will be Nelco, which is a Tata company, that will honor the bill, and Uday 𝐂𝐂𝐻 will receive the money from Nelco and he will give it back to the supplier, to the relatives. So like this, cunningly, Uday 𝐂𝐂𝐻 got the money at 12% and decided to lend at 16% to the suppliers. In the 1990s, 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 started car financing business. The story of how 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 started car financing business is also very fascinating, because 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻, when he got an idea of starting car financing business, he thought that there are already so many established players in the market who offer this service. So why will a person choose his service? So 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 saw that there is a huge euphoria of Maruti cars in 1990s. And he saw that whenever a person used to book a car of Maruti, there was a waiting period of 6 months. So 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 immediately ordered 5,000 cars of Maruti and kept it in his stock. And he took that risk, and whenever the person used to borrow money from him, he immediately used to deliver the car to him. So like this was the exclusive facility which 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 gave it to his borrowers, wherein immediately the person was getting the car as soon as he used to borrow the money. So like this, 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐻 established a foothold in car financing business. The business model of the bank, in short, is that it started way back in 1985 under the name of Kotak Capital Management Finance, where it used to do bill discounting. Later in 1990s, it ventured into car financing, and then it came the historic year 2003, wherein Kotak Group became the first NBFC to get a banking license, and Kotak Mahindra Bank was formed. It has 4 strategic business units. Those are consumer banking, commercial banking, corporate banking, and treasury. Then Kotak Group also has Kotak Security, which provides stockbroking and other financial product services to the people. And they also later on ventured in insurance business in the name of Kotak Mahindra General Insurance Company. And they offer a wide range of capital market and advisory services in the name of Kotak Mahindra Capital Company, and also international services in the name of Kotak International Business. Now talking about the SWOT analysis of the bank, first telling about the strength of the bank. The biggest strength which the bank has is the legend himself, that is Uday Kotak. The vision which he carries for the bank is just amazing, because the vision he has is about the sustainability of the bank. It is not important for, as per him, that who is leading the bank, but what is important is the sustainability of the bank. He wants the bank to be as similar to be like another JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs, etc. The vision of Uday Kotak ji is also on the similar lines as that of JP Morgan, that is to make his bank a long-term, sustainable and a global bank. Apart from this, the bank has always been very innovative, and it also has a very diversified business as discussed above in the business model of the bank. And it also has a very strong customer base. And apart from this, the bank has been able to withstand the periods of calamities like the 2008 recession, then also the recent COVID crisis. If you see, the bank was able to withstand very well itself, and that shows the resiliency of the bank. Now talking about the opportunity which Kotak Mahindra has, is that we can see that there's a huge demand in banking, and also apart from this, the Kotak Mahindra is also into AMC business, and with the kind of awareness that we are seeing among Indians about the stock market, the Kotak Group can take a huge advantage of that and can become a good player in AMC business. Now weakness is that Kotak Mahindra has a high cost to income ratio of around 53%. The leadership position of the Kotak Mahindra Bank itself is at a risk, because one of the strongest reason of its success was its strong distribution network, as it has thousands of banks and ATMs. So people used to open accounts with the bank which has nearest bank or ATM. But now Neo app has come, which makes a tie-up with the bank at its back end. So earlier the activities which were performed by branches, now all those activities can be carried out by a Neo bank, say even like fund transfer, anything. Most of the activities can be carried out through Neo banks. So the bank which has a popular Neo bank, better Neo bank, and which has more tie-ups with the Neo bank will do better in future. And presently Kotak Mahindra Bank is lagging in it, and ICICI Bank and IDFC are leading in it. Outcome. So if you see, Kotak Mahindra Bank has been able to convert 1 lakh rupees to 2000 crores in 35 years, which has been a more than compounded return of 40% around. And also with the kind of vision Uday Kotak ji is having for his bank, definitely this stock should be in your radar. And with the share price trading at around 1900 to 2000 rupees, the share is also trading at a lower price to earning and price to book value when compared to its previous 1, 3 and 5 year median averages. So it should be definitely in your radar. And if you have liked our video, then do like, share and subscribe to your channel, ATS channel. And wait, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification as soon as the video is uploaded. Thank you.